Čauko.
Čauko.
Dnes je piatok, vyrážame na jazdu. Dnešným cieľom je Pezinská Baba. Chceme si tam zajazdiť do sítosti. Podľa posledných informácií by tam mal byť aj profesionálny fotograf, takže dúfam, že sa nám podarí ukoristiť nejakú krásnu akčnú fotografiu. A keď budeme mať dosť jazdenia, prevezieme sa na druhú stranu a navštívime v Stupave biofarmu, ktorá je v nádhernom prostredí plná všakvakých zvierat. Sú tam prenesené koliby z Oravy, autentické. Dáme si tam nejakú dobrú stravu a ak budeme mať chuť po spiatočnej ceste, sa zastavíme ešte na nejakú drobnú sladkosť.
Dobrý, musím si dať dole helmu, mám štúple, nepočuť vás. Išli sme rýchlo, alebo čo?
65.
Ale hovno.
Dáme, poviem sa na to, čo bude.
Tak, táto nepozornosť nás stála z pár chechtákov, ale dúfajme, že aspoň Šutaj Otras Miešok bude mať naplnenie svojich záväzkov.
They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Then it's your chance to be ruthless. They don't wanna see me make it, they don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Pozri, celý plný les je oviec. Ty zober, že v Berku, ako majú púdničky túto. A ten prasiak tam dýcha, pozri sa na ňo.
Nie.
Žije. Dýcha. Ten má na háku.
Ten má úplne.
Krásne toto je, podľa olík, je tu pol. No.
O tu pri koníku.
Krásavci, ty pozri, aký je krásny. Kopyká to veľké.
No to má veľké. Ako pracuje s tým perami, ja. Tu mám tu trávu. A tu ľudia chodia aj s deťmi.
No tak pri deti je to najviac zaujímavé. Tu som.
Tu je reštika.
Bude to ešte krát.
Ideme, pozývam. Radu.
Poďme si 4 minúty trošku, lebo som smedný hovaný.
Po 2 týždne budeme zase štrokať.
Kde? Čo bude? Je aj na chate?
Na chate, na Žrave.
Na značku. Šikovný malý pohárik.
Dobre, tak tu mám všetko nastavené, nie?
Ďakujem.
Dobrú, to uvidíme. Uvidíme, čo bude. Je to moment. Slavíme. Áno,
Ďakujem pekne.
pekne.
Nájdení sme, môžeme ísť pokoriť babu znovu.
A ideme domov. A sme už 6 doma.
Tak môžeme povedať, že aj toto sme videli. Na budúce s deťmi. A motorky sú tam. Veľmi dobre. Ešte prídeme za svetlom.
No, moju nie.
Není tam? Však
Je
ťa
tam.
odvezem ťa.
Nemá to. No neviem, bude tam.
Veľmi odvážne zastali.
No.
Writing in the margins of my mind all day, sipping herbal in the morning just to feel okay. Had a dream I was water just flowing through space, till I landed on the record that my grandma would play. Talk sweet like jazz in the park after rain. What the grass smell green and the air feels sane. Put the phone on mute, let the silence explain. I don't need much, just a book in the brain. Used to chase things that were run from me. Now I sit still, let the peace come free. Paint a verse in the sky with a loose leaf. While the moon do a dance with a soft oak tree. Let it ride, let it be, let it be what it be. Got a breeze in my chest and a thought run free. I don't rush, I don't race, I just float on 3. Got a vibe in my soul, got a life on key. Let it ride, let it breathe, let it roll like that. Got the world in my cup and the beat in the back. I don't stress, I don't fold, I just lean on facts. If the sun don't shine, I'ma still bounce back. I've been good, I've been gone, I've been lost in the loops. Got a hoodie and some headphones, walking with truths. Ain't no answers in the feed, just noise and flex. But I found God once in a vinyl set. Talk slow when I speak, let the moment stretch. Learn peace ain't found, it's a thing you protect. Yeah, I vibe like water, I change and shift. But the roots still deep like my grandma's grits. City move fast, but I drift like smoke. Let the rhythm in my chest be the way I cope. Wrote a song for the days that feel soft and broke. Why the healing don't shout, but it still got hope. Let it ride, let it be, let it be what it be. Got a breeze in my chest and a thought run free. I don't rush, I don't race, I just float on 3. Got a vibe in my soul, got a life on key. Let it ride, let it breathe, let it roll like that. Got the world in my cup and the beat in the back. I don't stress, I don't fold, I just lean on facts. If the sun don't shine, I'ma still bounce back. Let it ride, let it be, let it be what it be. Got a breeze in my chest and a thought run free. I don't rush,
Tak, vyjazdení sme. Napapkaní sme, ale chcelo by to ešte niečo sladké.
Koži nedýchajte! Kuň nosí ti chlast a prchá!
Čo dáme?
Tu ste. V Kolárove najlepšia zmrzlina. Aj višňa, aj čokoláda, výborné. Ale... Tak sme doma, krásnych 300 km za sebou, urobili sme pezinskú babu, najedli sme sa na salaši a dali sme si fajnovú zmrzku v Kolárove, takže dobrý deň za nami.